I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato's social media director. Welcome to day 6 of unboxing the Sallie Tomato Co box. We're excited to share some fresh new inspiration for your bag making projects. Day 6. Today's item is perfectly suited for someone on the go, whether it's to the moon or just to the park down the road. Our next Sallie Tomato Co box exclusive pattern is Benny. Benny is a mesh drawstring bag that can be used at the beach, college, the gym, you name it. Also included today are the half yard of the 54-inch wide white mini mesh and 2 cord stoppers needed for the Benny pattern. New to sewing mini mesh? We have a tip for you. Mesh and fold-over elastic can tend to be slippery. We recommend using as many clips as you feel you need to make sure everything stays where it should when sewing your project. Clips are your friends. Don't be afraid to use them. We can't wait to see what your Benny bag looks like and what adventures it goes on with you. I know I'll be using mine when I'm on the go coaching my middle school dance team. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags SallieTomato and SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you make with your galactic glamour supplies.